Hello everybody, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a better Crosshair. I finally learned what the name is. I was just calling it camera cursor the whole time. So in the last tutorial I showed you guys how to make this epic camera. No, not camera cursor. Why am I keep calling camera cursor? It's called Crosshair. I showed you guys how to make this cool camera crosshair. But the thing is, you might have noticed it already, it doesn't really function, so I'm gonna fix that today. So it's kind of hard to explain. I'm gonna just follow along. You guys are gonna understand it. Just get a round fancy object. You guys can pick any of these. I like to pick golf ball. Also, just a quick side note, so you guys know how this works. I used this method in my FNAF 4 project, which is going pretty good. So yeah, there's your proof, believe it or not. Just make this not solid for now. Oh yeah, wait, and do the connection point center. Now if you see, yeah, there's like a little golf ball behind it. As you can see, this kind of clips through the floor. We don't care about that isn't a problem. Yeah, so that's the first step. We're probably gonna change around here a little bit, foreshadowing. But I just want to show you guys like what I'm making now, because like if you just make it and don't explain, it's gonna be kinda hard to follow along. So just put a sensor wherever you want and turn off box cylinder and sphere here, and turn on golf ball. Sorry. Oh wait, sorry, and connect it to just a sound effect, simple sound effect. I just want to show you guys what the tech is here. So now, see, the golf ball is just acting as like where we're looking with the camera. So if the golf ball, if the touch sensor senses the golf ball, it basically just means we're looking at it and plays a sound effect. So yeah, now if we look at this sensor, or put the golf ball in the sensor, or just looking at it, then it will play a sound effect. But as you can see, if we go a little bit close to it, it doesn't do anything. And the reason is very simple. It's because the golf ball is like so far away from us. It's like over there, like behind the sensor right now. We have to move a little bit back. Then it works. Yeah, see? So to fix that, we're just gonna make it closer to the player. Very simple. Delete this connection. And then just add a free slide connector. Free slide connectors are very like cool node-ons. If you don't understand it, you can just comment down below if you want a tutorial on it, because you can do lots of cool stuff and it's very simple too. So yeah, I'm not explaining what it does in this video, but I might do a tutorial. Yeah, and just use a constant node-on. Just connect it to Z. So basically, if you guys don't know, X is like these are the things for 3D. So basically, X is just left and right, and Y is just up and down, and Z, it's kind of hard to explain, but it's like front and behind, like just Google it at this point. I don't know how to explain it, but they are very simple. You can learn in like 3 seconds. Let's just do -2 for now. Yeah. So yeah, now you can see it's like closer to us, and that's basically what the Z direction is, like closer or farther. So yeah, now we don't have to be as far away from it before. Like, see, we can just be this far, and it works. But we still have the same problem. If we're like really close to it, it doesn't work. But it's still, and how it's still the same solution. Just make it close to us. You don't have to make it closer. It just depends on what game you're making. Like, if you're making a Minecraft remix, for example, you have to make it a little bit close, because in Minecraft the reach is just 3 blocks, or maybe 4. I don't really remember anymore. Anyways, now if you look, we can be like really close to it, as you have to be really close to it, so it goes like behind it. So yeah, but if we're a little bit farther away, then it might be a problem. But that doesn't matter. You can just change it depending on the game. So you might be saying now, but Rayon, this is boring. Oh, if you look at it, it just plays a sound effect. Yes, it does, but we can change it to do more cool things. For example, just hang on. And then connect the texture node to the box. Oh, and now you guys will see the power of this feature. Oh. As I said, I do something wrong. I forgot to change the settings of just make it actually, it doesn't really matter. Just make it solid, non-movable. Yeah, the usual. So yeah, now you will actually see the power of this feature. So now if we look at it, as you can see up there, look at the box. If we look at this texture, not texture, sensor, the box up there turns yellow. But if you don't look at it, it's just bland. So yeah, that's just a little. That's just 2 things you can do with the touch, not the touch sensor, with this feature. Yeah. Also, one last thing before this video ends. You can make this you can make this golf ball invisible, and you'll see why. Now it looks like it's actually the crosshair doing everything, but actually it's the golf ball. See, yeah. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any other tutorials in mind that you need, just comment down below, and if I know how to do it, then I'm gonna make a tutorial on it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if this helped you, or maybe if you're feeling extra supportive, just you can also hit subscribe. So bye. Yeah.